In this training video, we'll be going over your Certificate of Completion form. A very, very important form. You want to get these signatures so your customers will sign off and say you did a great job. So super important. So as you can see, we are already in the Projects tab because you're already within this project for this owner insured. And you picked the Certificate of Completion button so we could pull up this form. Okay, and as always, your logo follows you automatically, and your company information, that's always automatic. Here's your owner insured and your job address. If there is a claim number, it will appear here automatically, Certificate of Completion. And all of your legal verbiage is already here as previously programmed. You do have a note box if you need to type in some notes for this particular Certificate of Completion form. And most importantly, again, you get the signatures. So we are the owner signature right now. That's where we're at. So you get them to sign. You'd click OK. If the signature was just not a good signature, you could certainly clear this out and erase it. You sure you want to delete the signature? Yes, I do. And we'll start again. Click on here. This box comes back up. And that's a better signature. You'd click OK. So the owner just signed off. You're in the clear. You have the date that just automatically filled in. And now it's your turn, the company. And let's do that. This is very good. Okay. Now everybody is signed off. That's great. So your Certificate of Completion form is now complete, and you can go on about your business. To your success, and thank you for watching.